Today's topic for discussion is systemic fungicides. Let us see the details of systemic fungicides. Fungicides are generally used for the management of plant diseases. Systemic fungicides are the chemicals which can control broad spectrum of plant diseases. Many types of diseases can be controlled by the use of systemic fungicide. These chemicals enter the treated organ and erase the internally born pathogenic organism without any harm to the host tissue. Because of its systemic nature of traveling into the host tissue and killing the pathogens, these chemicals termed as systemic fungicides. The introduction of systemic fungicides in 1966 is a major landmark in the history of fungicidal control of plant diseases. The systemic activity of many insecticides, herbicides, antibiotics was known earlier. The successful use of systemic fungicides was demonstrated by von Schilling and Kulka. These are the names of scientists in 1966. This discovery of oxazine fungicide was soon followed by the confirmation of the systemic activity of pyrimidines and benzimidazoles. These are the groups of systemic fungicides. A systemic fungicide is one which is taken and translocated within the plant, as a result of which the latter becomes fungitoxic. Mostly these are in liquid form. Many protectant fungicides probably become systemic to a slight extent, but not sufficiently to give worthwhile protection. The protectants are phytotoxic. Their translocation in the host tissue is limited and slow. They may not persist sufficiently long to give adequate protection to the plant. The systemic fungicides give worthwhile protection of the plant from disease which are not phytotoxic, and their translocation in the host tissue is not limited and it persists sufficiently long to give an adequate protection to the plant from pathogenic organisms. These compounds are systemic in their action and are receiving the active attention of pathologists. Most systemic compounds are absorbed by the roots and translocated acropetally to the xylem. They are usually not transported downward through the phloem tissue. The plant diseases in the recent period are controlled by the use of systemic fungicide which penetrate and move from their site of application to other parts of the plant. The systemic fungicide could eradicate established infection and protect the new parts of the plant. The systemic fungicide can be applied in a solution in the liquid form as a spray on the foliage, but application to foliage is less likely to be effective against the pathogens responsible for root diseases. Several systemic fungicides have been tested as a seed dressing to eliminate the seed-borne mycoflora, which is pathogenic. Systemic fungicides have not been very successful in the case of trees and bushes. Let us see an ideal systemic fungicide. The characteristics features of ideal systemic fungicide. Okay. The substance may be toxic to pathogens, not to the host. Alternatively, the substance may alter the metabolism of the host and so that the biochemical or physical resistance to pathogen may be induced or enhanced. It must not be adversely affect the host plant. In systemicity, the substance must be absorbed sufficiently and translocated from the point of application to the site of the pathogen and should have a considerable degree of stability within the host plant. If it is applied to edible portion of the plant, the mammalian toxicity must be low enough to avoid residue problems at the consumer stage. There are very few fungicides which possesses all above mentioned characteristics. Next, let us see the action of systemic fungicides. Very little is known about the mechanism of systemic fungicide. The following are some possibilities. Inactivation of enzyme and toxins of the pathogen, selective accumulation of fungicide due to greater permeability of the fungal cell wall. The systemic fungicide acts on that damage to the membrane of the fungal hyphae and inhibition of structures such as apressoria, cushion formation, emergence of germ tube of the fungal spore and formation of haustoria. These are restricted by the use of systemic fungicide. Inhibition of fungal enzymes and their destruction also occurs due to systemic fungicide. Systemic fungicides are more specific in their action and non-systemic fungicide than the non-systemic fungicide. Next, the following are some systemic fungicides which are used against plant disease management. Bavistine, it is the name of fungicide. Bavistine, it is a broad spectrum systemic fungicide that consisting of 50% of carbendazim. The fungicide carbendazim is effective against a wide range of pathogenic fungi and is highly specific in nature. Its control of important plant pathogens. It is used to control very important plant pathogens of the variety of the crops and diseases of several ornamental plants, and this chemical is also used for the management of fruit and vegetable diseases. It is also used to control seed-borne diseases. Bavistine is not toxic to honeybees. Let us see the stability of Bavistine. Under normal dosage condition, it is stable for 2 years from the date of manufacture. It is used by mixing with other insecticides to control different types of diseases of the crop. Toxicity of Bavistine. It is toxic to rat at 1500 mg per kg, at 2500 mg per kg toxic to dogs, and it is not toxic to honeybee. Applications. Bavistine is a liquid fungicide. It is prepared according to the instructions and the recommended concentration is prepared by adding tap water and sprayed on the infected crop till the symptoms disappear after every mentioned recommendation. Next, dry seed dressing. Bavistine is used to manage storage diseases of seeds and to manage the post-harvest diseases of the fruits. The dry seeds are dipped in the recommended dose of fungicidal concentration before storage to avoid seed-borne mycoflora. Fruit trees are sprayed to control various mildew diseases and leaf spot diseases. And this Bavistine is also used as wet seed dressing. The seeds are mixed with fungicide in which less water is added. The seeds are dried before sowing. The fungicide packages should be stored away from children in separate room. The fungicidal empty packages shall be buried or burned for safety. Next, precautions. What type of precautions we have to take regarding this fungicide? Keep away from children. Bavistine is very poisonous. We have to keep it away from the children and keep it away from foodstuffs and animal feed, and avoid direct contact with skin and eyes. Avoid inhaling of fungicide during spray. Do not eat, do not drink, chew, smoke while handling this Bavistine type of fungicide. Another fungicide which is systemic in nature, let us see the details of carboxyn. Carboxyn, it is a systemic fungicide which is also known as Vitavax. It is the organic fungicide It is commonly used for seed treatment. Chemically, it is 5,6-dihydro-2-methyl-1,4-oxathine 3,3-carboxamide. This chemically it is like this, and it is sold in market under several trade names. And Vitavax, it is also a trade name of carboxyl, which is sold in market. It has 75% wettable powder, 17% flowable. It is a systemic fungicide used to treat seeds of wheat, oat, corn and barley seeds against smut diseases, bunt and other diseases are to be managed. It controls rhizoctonia diseases of vegetables. Let us see the toxicity of carboxyn type of systemic fungicide. In 2 years feeding trials, albino rats receiving 600 mg per kg diet suffered no detectable symptoms. Environmental considerations. This carboxyn type of fungicide, it is hazardous to the fish and no hazardous to honeybees. It is non-phytotoxic when used as directions given. Do not persist in soil. These are the characteristic features of carboxyn type of fungicide. What type of precautions we have to take at the time of use of carboxyn or Vitavax? It is a systemic fungicide. Precautions in this we have to keep away from children. We have to keep this fungicide away from the children. Avoid inhaling dust or spray mist. Do not touch to eye or skin. Avoid grazing animals on treated area. Do not store treated seeds longer than 1 year. Store the fungicide in cool and dry place. Wear a mask during dust or spray. This is all about systemic fungicides.